say boom boom boom, no way about to say.
Jano, a show up head of the bar. No time for any imbecility. Fireman, we uja, me wija, me sija, me nantijem, me be bia e uja. Professional fire, more fire. Ujana show up head of the bar, and a motivational fireman day. And a motivational fireman day. Fire for fire. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Communication director David Obey. One na fire for fire. Fireman. Guest. Yen na guest. More fire. Mr. Director. Me ojenim, but where is the fireman? Yes, I mean, me ojenim. But where is the fireman? Mr. Director. Fireman say me wujanim. But where is the fireman? Fire burn you. More fire. The whole Ghana do na person mo hwe me, no mo tie me. More fire. Has a folk that's a chance. Africa. Say also more Confederations Cup. Me catch you say North Africans, you know. We lose God, concentration, discipline, focus. Listen. Has work attitude woman. You woman film, but still more Africa. I hear Confederations Cup, Champions League no woman film, Confederations Cup no. Still phobia. Never say that until the bones are rotten. But before work game, no. See a fireman, more fire. Me say we lose focus. One stay discipline. Now be a referee king now call the one rush. Who wants to lose 4-0, 5-0, 6-0, 7-0. Who wants what by a West record, crowd has history. Coach Boadu say one lose 5, 4, 6 of 7. Man, funny say. Before say one stay that focus and that discipline. 1-0, 2-1, may they qualify, and I say, the moment you are off, I was in North Africa, we move territory, we deep 4, 5, 6, 7 goals.
Say boom boom boom, no way about to say oh. Say boom boom boom, no.
We Janet, a show up by the Baba. Yenyan coupon so. I am the fireman. Me wija, me shija, me nantijem. Me be biaija professional. A jumano in the moon. Fireman, the brand. Fire for fire. The whole Ghana, the whole world, one fireman. The BI fire for fire. Trading Ponyan Kupoma, fire for fire, be anymore. And then the radio stations, TV stations, presenters, or BI to me a fire. A one fireman. Experience in all. A banner good moon seminar, especially football, no experience in all. Ya tukwana, ya trebo na, ya bobby. Ya commentary na, ya dasugo game in the most popular television sports show. The whole Ghana. The most popular television sports show. No television sports show a popular chain. Fire for fire. The most popular television sports show, the whole Ghana. A fire for fire, Wadum TV. And experience, confident, award winner, multi-talented. Patrick Osajima, you can call me countryman songo. Oreku mi fiedi no me yasantini, me face pebble chrome. Fire burn you all in a professional way. One on a host. More than 5, more than 6, more than 7 years. You could tell fire for fire anymore. Ewa Adum TV, Ewa Sempa 94.7 FM radio, so I said FM Motakradi. And more than 23 years. Journalism, sports journalist, brand fireman, fire for fire. No water can quench it because me young popon so. experience in your game me catch the wo nya fe na mbeka sa me catch the ho me fire wi asa me ko ujane se wa wo na obeba me fire wi a I know where I'm always coming from me nyankopon ne so me nim game ni mu enti me fire asa ni am me nim game ni mu sitie North African for no work send umbiti ni house abobo no and set fire no before work and house folk more fire into fire no set fire no before work of Morocco ni house folk more fire me say we lose focus one stay discipline na bibia ni a bia referee twen na wo ko no wo rush no ubu one so lose 4 nail 5 nail 6 nail 7 nail ubu say what be west record kura our house history coach bodu na say one lose 5 4 6 of 7 man funny say say one stay that focus and that discipline 1-0 2-1 me they qualify and I say the moment you are off I was in North Africa we move territory no ube deep 4 5 6 7 goals
say boom 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 no we about to say well say boom 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 no let me hear say well
more fire many Kotoko communications director 101 David Obeng Nyako brand manager and communication director Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko wono eye Kotoko brand manager communications director Edema Kotoko life ewo fire for fire so Kotoko pre-season Kotoko call Dubai Kotoko is ready for the upcoming season super fantastic league more fire Medin Patrick Osajima once again. You can call me Countryman Songo. Dr. Abednego, Elohim Treatment Center. Dr. Abednego. Yari titi ubiano. Dr. Abednego besa yari. Sunsumu yari. Hunemu yari. Stroke ne how. Untimi diabetes. Jaundice. Wa yari. Chase unya yari sa. Called Dr. Abednego okedi. Elohim Treatment Center. Na sunsumu yare o se enye hospital yare baye na eye no ya to yare ama doctor na ne bi nyame adom musra no wona sun eti doctor sunsumu yare obesa yare honamu yare obesa yare eye Elohim Treatment Center okedi ujane shewa be do baba wo fire na mesma fire David Obenyako Kotoko communications director brands manager obe fire
Songo
fantastic more fire ujano showa more fire ujano eshiwa more fire David Obeng Nyako right
Fireman
brands and communication director
Fireman
more fire David ni no Shatawale di ye no bomba ye Shatawale di Fireman ready
Fireman
Shatawale di David I pesa sa advert this
fantabulous
all right Shatawale champion Wale
fire for fire
Shatawale ni
fireman
Shatawale ni
fireman
Shatawale ni
fireman
fabulous
petu man
Phyllis Arjun to
one party na pesa aji
umeli na eti Shatania na fireman
eti ube play ye ka say play back aka ube fa wide there no why pass ujare shewa
beba
more fire
beba
fire for fire Doom TV live Facebook kohwe fantastic interview a fire interview with Kotoko communications director David Obeng Nyako more fire Asempa 94.7 FM on Cry live will be a fire udu China do wanna JL radio be a 80 do wanna suti was FM e wo takrade more fire. Once again, me Dean Patrick Osaje, man. You can call me countryman Songo, more fire. David, yeah, why Dubai preseason? I didn't call Dubai preseason Kotoko.
Nedikan, we are suffering na clubs. I can say we are seeing now. Do preseason na. Enya COVID and I behind na. Clubs in the now ball marketing. Echo other countries. Never say, Emma, we take the boys out of the pressure of the home country near this example. Yet you know, Adako almost every day we expect about 1,000 people around. Some of the boys are new. I say, Unabo Trainer got the low more into the Asante Kotoko philosophy and ideology. Into a total be a take you more out of the public space and the public eye for a while. Last season, your Cocophobia, unfortunately, because of this time, I am so no a title topper into a disruptive training programs. This season, now you're there because preseason. But I heard the cost, say, your preseason, our Ghana, and maybe an EPC economy. As compared to Dubai, no, now difference no very few. Tonight it was important say be taking boys outside. ABMs the man call Dubai and say Dubai is a global country. It's a global city. Dubai is a global city. We are suffering in about currently there's expo going on. Into the boys ne call be my dream more understand it in my baby I say I get it to really understand what is going on in the world. A be my dream a boy more training. Taking the boys out of the public space, no, you mean I said we did 100% because I go to Dubai. There's no way in this world that Ghana for you go to Dubai. There were Ghanaians also in Dubai on the team that Chibate boy my boys no 8 minutes so you be member or being for so your coach prosper it's about 30 minute tactics and then your mass we go come. So for us no the Dubai preseason was very successful. I've been part of the title the code Dubai no we are able to achieve it and we are very happy about that decision.
Okay. Munya new boys, namu old ones, a beer to Kwanda, new boys, a bean to Kwanda, fine. Oshe omu attitude, then o study omu Dubai and ufi say at the end I will study free playing body no free boys no say e be a more extra confidence and I say a bemo who say you know yeah big team like Kotoko Ghana near about preseason or baby say you do Ghana just say it's all good.
New boys
no,
almost every one of them came prepared. Obi Abuabu and say Obebo Asante Kotoko. Obebo a very big club. Na Adeba Akoso Amesa can say yanda old players na say. And I see you no short meeting now about old players na baso. The way are more accepted new boys and edge boys need to Emma boys no ebe part of us no na yesonko. Like you see as Asante Kotoko boys ni na baby na obi a old players no. Oba who say we a new player and I say we old player. Into acceptance na my boys no so be a part of the family. And in commodity money and they heard the expression of the players. Some of my boys not here say Oba Asante Kotoko. You expect nothing from you but the best. Into ball abebo usuban obededi even say mobile krana nam krum krana suban obededi bia no e said the picture Asante Kotoko club kese na eden e touch na support it's orientation na ko boys the team pay coach so you be or a lecturer or a PhD holder into e ba kwan a offer so ni players edin komo e de ni o ma hye omutimo mati ase a even every day when the coaching program bia no catch the boys na Asante Kotoko na abo no the first show team say you are going to bring nothing but the best out of you and then not team oriented boys them are they are very poised and very ready for the
season.
So
if you say Dubai away from if I say Ghana no e ma mutimi orientation ni senior mu pese boys ni hu say you are playing at Asante Kotoko no o mutimi nya asa de.
Yeah, it's true. America say me try you share Nigeria ni bi na many boys be 7 na ye far left akosoro na share one Nigerian. Inti ohun ya na ohun so Asante Kotoko big club and you travel all here to Dubai to do preseason in this hotel. Wow. In this even that short period don't come boys renting on maybe as say 7 in club here Ghana ha obejans opportunity no to travel to Dubai to have preseason.
So you expect the boys in the Benya confident out of that confident in the
of course because that is what we expect from you.
And he will also
show on the field of play.
Okay.
That's what we expect from them. So we coach by the coach's results will come on the field of play. So that's not boys also their results and their enthusiasm, their confidence and determination should show on the field.
Okay, Dubai friendly matches am boy no na competitive enough. Na a more thing, very competitive enough. A more thing. Over second division and no was it that competitive for Kotoko?
Clubs are not on board for any match of Dubai. These are clubs almost me to player for $150,000.
More fire.
For $200,000.
More fire.
Those are clubs and any boy.
More fire.
So Ghana no player and a Ghanaian club at Matono for even $50,000.
Maybe observation Kwani say omu team but because they say no players all over one investors to talk to teams in tea. Even omu team no hold so no musa set another setter and making a bet 3 sets.
I'm telling you.
Justify.
I'm telling you.
The different countries.
There's not a single team anymore but Ghana players and Nigeria players in him.
Yes.
And these Ghanaians and Nigerians are top players. Yes.
This Arabs.
There was one team and then they were Atletico Arabia.
Yeah.
March 9th members.
Bonfire.
Our captain Real Madrid Academy product.
Bonfire.
So it tells you the quality of the opponents in the Dubai.
The Dubai always the investors call.
Of course. Football is all about investors.
Okay.
What I say? Ghana, you see, I say Dubai club, Ghana, it $150,000 so the top best player in Ghana. I'm telling you, say the probability is Obenya good players they are con. Obenya be. But what I said, so this is the quality of the team I do boy. And these boys are very physical. Because I'm talk a player from outside, I'm have physique or height, no strength. So they subjected our boys to very physical encounter. It wasn't easy. The first match against Ali, you were there, you gave commentary.
Yeah.
And like I said, it wasn't easy. Man 3 seconds crowd on the ball.
Yeah.
So for us to play, of course, first match we lost, but we created over 7 chances, goal scoring chances. He started with a striker because if Sadomako had a slight injury, Bani who recover fully. And the second match we used Amankona as a makeshift striker who played very well and even scored. The latter part on Betty. One good thing about this preseason, any match is a boy and they say, I might identify some small loopholes to be a team. For example, a second match here, any third match here. Yeah, any match now view. And you slag a crama. Exactly. So coach, I will say game management. We have to game management because any match we are exactly.
Okay.
Any match last season higher power because last season games against Mediama. Games against Bekum Chelsea. Some matches in Yasha, about we are honest out.
Match be Ube to make Kuta Messi in Ronaldo. As soon as be a go one go penny. To one defending here. Ube to make Lewandowski Munina strikers we are singing our team. And so to be a one go because we shall one keep it up on here. And I'll go here.
That's all. So game management and all this, I'm a coach net mind. I get a very good understanding of the team. And our teams also your teams are I'm the ball to form a process very well. And so here team ultimately ball possess no and so creative spaces or some creative holes in your team. So defensively, I'm in team shaping. So that's Obi stepping out. Never as a right back running akoye crossing. Somebody must fill in the gap. In case of Lusu Bona, then we don't create that space for the opponent. So there's a lot of technical and tactical we are boy I know said a bit shaping a team going into this season.
I'm not for feeling say Mukuta small boys and a bubble league,
And when I'm a classical.
More fire.
Na Gavi.
More fire.
Na Vinicius for one I didn't know.
More fire. Fatty.
As Fatty. That Fatty. There are a lot of young players.
Now Liverpool, Manchester. So you Ronaldo ne match it more if you massa.
Exactly. I know. Menanya injury. Elliot in a buy. Very young guy. What was I? What we are saying is so by a team the man. Almost say you register so far. Aka last announcement. We have 31 players, 4 goalkeepers, and 29 outfield players.
More fire.
So
Aka last announcement.
Aka last announcement.
Goalkeeper no player.
Or a goalkeeper.
Okay.
Into yes, a young goalkeeper at least I saw no be the paying for an answer. Don't also get it better.
More fire.
Here we are. 31 players, 29 here on the field.
More fire.
Sorry, we for the free man. We have 27 on the field.
More fire.
27. A woman come 5 pen less than 20 years.
More fire. Less than
20 years.
Wow.
Exactly. Woman come 5 less than 20 years.
Football near. Young ones now mobile.
So majority of the players are more than 20 years and they have exposure.
With that age, only good players.
I'm telling you, they are fantastic players. And support us now. Support us now with videos or some of our matches. One player will be a kind of Joe. Joseph Abuako, fantastic.
Yes.
Very, very speedy. Or some nice footwork. He's very fast, very pacey. Isaac Oponema has also been attractive. Messi Guardia, while or training you just say, when you ball if you don't take him down, it's very difficult to take more out of him. Too much.
Messi needing Ankasa they say.
Messi didn't Clinton Opoku.
On Clinton
Opoku.
Maybe Pia one here Mobaton in them.
Your ball pie.
And I'm more most who are moving to over $2 million.
Your ball pie.
Okay, all right. Who said the Omuya fit? Yes, Omuya fit for Kotoko.
These are players who are ready.
Traditional team, big team. Or Bokotoko also unya that a cloud, no ego, no. Yes.
Mami Kasembi.
More fire.
Enche Biano. Now one of the most exciting players, El Kotoko. Matthew Kujo.
More fire.
As Kotoko, he dominated. Even sports minister at that time. Upon match no Kitanesa.
More fire.
But this was a very young boy. He was 16, 17 years then.
More fire.
Baba Rahman.
Apeuno.
Baba, no, that was Matthew Kujo.
Matthew Kujo, yeah.
Matthew Kujo.
Yeah, Matthew Kujo. Yeah.
Baba Rahman.
Yeah.
Baba Rahman I know or Chelsea, blaster materials.
Yeah.
Oba Asante Kotoko.
Yeah.
At the age of about 16, 17, 18 years. No Oba Asante Kotoko left back.
Yeah.
I hope you more Chelsea.
Yeah.
Now imagine say if Baba Rahman was a product or was a bona fide property of Asante Kotoko. Koko Chelsea no. Kenya be the Benya day. Ebenya mu kakra da support a team no. They say what's the biggest talent in Ghana? Obiebo ni din Esaku Fatao.
Bonfire. Yeah.
This is a very young chap.
Bonfire.
Nobody Division 1.
Yeah.
Ayeka is the best under 20 player in Africa.
Bonfire.
Imagine says our player no Asante Kotoko.
Bonfire.
Last year, now we had only one player less than 20 years, Andrew Sapau.
Bonfire.
Yeah, at the end of the season, Apau was virtually one of the best defenders in the season. 2% of chairs Asante Kotoko. Say a Panda 17 player, and say Nyabu Kotoko.
Bonfire.
We have to get something.
So
Asante
can
Kotoko.
these boys compete?
They are competing, I'm telling
And
you.
they see money so.
They are competing.
As
These boys are going to compete with the mature players to form part of the team.
Bonfire.
They are going to compete.
And
to
win trophies and
what is the motive behind? These are part of the first team.
Okay.
Youth team project now. Many Abdullah Ghazali, a boy a team called Sadanti Kosuya.
Bonfire.
We are coming to do that one. But Sabo is when you're part of that youth first.
Bonfire.
But Yemo Biati said this is the level that we are going.
Bonfire.
So next season, yes, our youth team we now about 4 or 5 players. If Robert first team one. Any other from us and take Kotoko for because when we say the last season, this season, we signed 5 players who are less than 20 years. And that is what we want to build. The Pasate Kotoko Asebi, there's clear lineage. Say we move free wa, we move na
But Kotoko cap. So we move compete for.
These players are going to compete for cup. They are going to compete for cup. Where we are rebuilding. Okay, and it's a fact. Every team in this world is rebuilding.
Bonfire.
Team Bienua, Sebi, Omega Sonia rebuilding. On top player.
Bonfire.
When the season opens. How many teams do we are say being the on top player?
Bonfire.
Once you bring a new player, that means that there is a rebuilding.
And in Manchester, you pick coach at all. You pick coach at all.
That's what I say. I'm a far prosper.
Coach with a Casabo body. Coach with a Casabo body. Oh yes.
So there's always opportunity for rebuilding. But then we are building a team.
Bonfire.
About Kumasi Babayara, all away grounds in Kobian. Everybody will know that this is a team that's going to compete to win the trophy. Where a coach Alpha not also third. Asante Kotoko for last season we were second.
Bonfire.
So if we want to be better, we cannot still maintain the position and one.
Bonfire.
And this is where the fans will come in. So will be some, but let me chip in very quickly. Yeah, person everybody Asante Kotoko. Why is the fans will come to the stadium and say, boys, remember,
Bonfire.
And I'm on
Bonfire.
We want a Kotoko. That's why this year a team here together we can.
Bonfire.
Everybody comes on board.
Bonfire.
The support I know Bapaka. Why do you that with him? Say if you don't bring your support to support the team, maybe we cannot achieve what we want.
Bonfire.
We all want to come together as a team. We are a team. Say management team, and our players, and our technical team, we are one.
Bonfire.
So we have to create that atmosphere because it's not all matches and I'll be to match convincingly.
Bonfire.
And then matches beyond I'll be to 100% perfect.
Bonfire.
Manchester United is a good club.
Bonfire.
But look at what happened to them yesterday.
Bonfire.
They have Cristiano Ronaldo, one of the best players in the history of football.
Bonfire.
In the end, there will be difficult moments, there will be difficult time. But you as a supporters will come to Babara with the motive say you are coming to support the team. Say I can't 1 minute to cry now. Bonfire. Say Kotoko grind out results.
You have the boys for that.
We have the boys for that.
The men or the
we
boys.
Have the boys, we have the technical team, we have the boys for that.
Okay.
One of the biggest signings of this season are retaining Abdul Ganiu. Abdul Ganiu is arguably the best center defender in this country.
Bonfire.
We have retained him.
Bonfire.
He's the captain of the team.
Yeah.
Razak Abalua is one of the best goalkeepers.
Yeah.
And now have a discussion being offered.
Yeah.
In a course team. How Razak Abalua said in the first 15 minutes.
North Africa for the day who call. Apart from discipline and staying focused, also goalkeeper, he has to dive like a cat. Also keeper. Na me North one near goalkeeper wako dago wa mumenia general pa Ghana goalkeeper George O. Work for we more. we diabetes cut.
Your conservatives were also there.
Oh yeah, Abalo watch their goalkeeping. And that 0-0.
Yeah, 0-0.
Yes,
0-0 back in settings.
Yes, North Africa, they all apart from staying focused and being disciplined, you have to get also when your goalkeeper.
Yeah,
of course. Of
course, sure. One time, person me shock on the supporters and say, yeah, ma, you should not give opportunity. Man, go phone to put wrong. The core of the team is still there.
More fire.
Where your back defense, any midfielder, the core of the players are still there. More Ibrahim that's all.
More fire.
Andrew Sapao.
More fire.
You see Mubarak or
more fire.
Abdul Ghani or
more fire.
Christopher Nete
or
Azag Abalua or Kame Bao.
More fire.
Dalad, if you loan Aba, Dalad is the best under 20 goalkeeper in Africa.
More fire. Our blasters.
Yes. Emmanuel Keke.
More fire.
Salif Mudasi.
So you still have
the core of the team is there.
The core of the team.
The core of the team is there.
Even old guys, you know that's all.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And I thought went to the market.
New. That's a new.
When we also went to the market, we also brought experienced players. About both Premier League, who can best players in the Premier League, you cannot take them out of it. Ebini Richard Bodu, Agadas, yeah. Fantastic midfielder.
Or a Bokrum boy.
Richmond Lamptey.
Bokrum.
Richmond Lamptey.
Yeah.
Samuel Apia has also joined us. And the young players in the crowd already. Abe infused team. We brought the two Cameroonians. You were there. You saw these guys when they came in. You welcomed them. And these guys are showing. Said they are typical strikers.
Send movement.
The adoption has been fantastic. The good thing is your player Ajaman Maxwell Akito speak good French. And I also hear 2x4 French. They really feel welcome. They're able to express themselves. Idea is not a problem. Toga, 20 years.
Toga
20 years.
20 years.
Yes. And I'm Fege 24 years.
Fege 24
years. So they
are strikers and I say send
Omuna strikers. They all play number 9. Your last match, Toga and Babu as a number 9. And in the movement, any Christopher Nete, any different in the Bayern that we share. You can show. It's a typical. You can also operate from the rings. Same as in Fege. Fege is also a typical number 9. And also bit my ball in front. Any more 3 no bit my ball. And football assessment. Sometimes you need players who are very dynamic. Any more bit my shifty. I cover several positions. But the marking of them for defense be very difficult. And this is what creates spaces for other players to score. They say we also have wingers. They are also good in scoring. So even if defenders now market strikers now, the movement of the striker can create space for the winger.
Is it Joseph?
Yeah, Joseph Amoako.
That boy.
Fantastic player.
Okay.
Fantastic player. So there's so much expectation the boys are. Yes, stress supporters.
Very quiet guy.
They should. Yeah. Very professional player.
Okay.
Afakwa is also there. This
ni TI te Kwame Nkrumah no. Unya ne picture ka de to home am pa. Why one of the players Kotoko supporters and they should watch out for that guy.
Yeah.
Dixon Afuaka, right? Yes.
Serious player. It's unfortunate, and of course, our social media world.
Yeah.
It is always so truly well. I think it will be. If I bit more, you know they are.
But
at the end of the day, who boy no pitching.
Yeah, the ball control.
Who boy no pitching.
Time on social media, yeah, this and I'm feeling me do Dubai. Me who say, why you more be an attorney so but. What's if fireman who meeting the crowd make work on Bokraka?
Oh, but you see, fire. This is a professional player. Player said, what took one ball in the United States. I'm telling you. And I never acquired some boy in the Prosper, our coach, Obenfo. So Obenfo called him. Exactly, just to get to understand how it's affecting. And the boy should say, I'm a professional. Listen,
me won't catch up
this is part of me. 7 means me go trap the team
more fire.
But the only way every man the narrative now about me the best is and say if I get to the pitch and I play football and I play it better. 7 young cannot cry. Europeans say here TV.
Yeah.
TV so bonny
oh say Taribo West more.
TV so bonny. Taribo West go for Africa. Yeah, typical but then that a professional player. You try TV so when near Niaje.
Na Magua who ni say. That it was a kick picture. Nice one. Okay. All right. So, yeah, that TV is so able to Dixon Afuaka.
Fantastic.
Yeah, and I'll call Adum
Fantastic.
Adum Facebook.
Asante Kotoko supporters that energy. You should understand. Asante Kotoko, we have the biggest supporters in Ghana.
More fire.
All Asante Kotoko supporters.
Yeah. It's a boy who nimbo.
Inti dodo na a dominant energy.
Friend in San Mani.
A dominant energy. Maybe the Bible we see. You say a dominant energy. A chain or more or where the almost sign. A dominant tie. They say for question. A chain or more time.
Okay, fantastic. All right. You're playing body, no. Sorry, technical staff, you know. Yeah. Now, before that, you know, the two Cameroonians, you know, more adaptation, come on.
Adaptation is fantastic. Adaptation is fantastic.
Some you say, Omudibia. Oh, and come and see a restaurant. Ne kon ikoji menu ina emrofuaba se maybe se emrofuaba
so omudi bibia
okay the anoba boa omu stay
am I so comfortable and the good thing is Maxwell Ajema also very fluent in speaking of French in Tiama adaptation you know I very solid yes so the monami and now
more fire new technical team no supporting it to say led by Prosper.
So we made changes to our technical team. Coach Prosper, by Dr. Prosper, by about football teams. I know best I can Doctor this.
Okay.
It's a backup Coach Prosper.
Coach Prosper.
Another coach Edria Fobaye and our coach David Oklosu Ebekan as assistant coaches. Until there was a bit of changes, Kaka. Technical team, physio is still there, physiotherapy is still there, physical trainer is still there, coach Naja, who's Blasters. Formerly Blaster Bees, currently goalkeepers trainer, License A or horses here, and our coach Abdullah Ghazali. I'm going to call refresher course in terms of youth program never starting also, and so technical team.
Okay.
So technical team, there's a blend of new coaches and former coaches, old coaches, also at the Eka. So it's not like they're changing BBR totally. No, there's still institutional memory. I bet I'm going to take it.
Confident will coach Prosper Nete Muse. Prosper is the man for the job.
We are very, very confident.
Why?
In coach. Because Ajumanetre.
How confident?
Ajumanetre, if you stay back and you watch players, players are a bad team, you know. Ibuane, Sheba Kakra, Nebi Panaki Kakra. Now where the way of multiple improve your and the confidence in these boys are. So we coach, and what Juman Kwani on the pitch, how you also interact with players. When my players and your work coming the team. When my players adapted to the stand, the player mistake and now we're trying to as well. The player will not take offense, but the player will be identified, say, coaching is contributing to my development, you know. So I know my way, and Coach Prosper is doing so well, so well. Boys, you know, they say the team is like a family.
No fire.
There's one thing I think that it's a bit slightly different from maybe our team last season. Now the team is like a family. So always the boys are talking to themselves, the coach is talking to themselves, the boys are encouraging themselves. The last friendly match, boy, because of live streaming, it's not a Ben pitch, I cannot be Christopher Nete. And Isaac Opon, a friend man, he was playing ahead of Nete. And the confident and not Christopher Nete, they share boy with him. So we now born now, you don't treble and go into the penalty area. Uko penalty area, have Yabotre, Una born your day, and the king in the penalty box. Like he was motivating the boy throughout the game. And this is what makes a team perfect.
Okay, so more coach, Prosper Nete training. Any matches or the team na ball Dubai. Mohuni say, oh yeah, that modern day coach who's dia ni training ni matches no send his no. Yes, this is how.
Because Coach Prosper is a blend of modernity and tradition.
Okay.
Nature they say only modern ways of football.
Okay.
How we pass, how we press, how we close spaces, how we also create spaces, movements with the ball near the when you use no money na bass a treble with
it show on the training.
It show on the training. And all the matches, the 3 friendly matches about Dubai now, we dominated possession throughout.
Coach,
and we created chances.
Coach here.
Exactly.
Watch no. Or shall see watch and say you see the tactics.
Of course.
Change, to miss son.
Very twisted number be but I was MBB and I met Macan live on TV because your colleague some of this information. So I know your personal weapon, I want to hide it.
Most supporters want to know say coach is on top.
He's a top coach. Now make I say it's a blend of both modernity and tradition.
Okay.
One thing about the traditional part, they said he understands what Asante Kotoko is really about. He understands the institution Asante Kotoko.
Okay, more fire.
Okay, it's always that is what he's putting exactly. That is what he's always putting in the mind of the boys. So this is Asante Kotoko.
No fire.
You are not just playing a football club. You are representing a whole nation. You are representing a whole tribe. you are presenting a whole institution. You can't mention Ahimfia. You are representing Menchia on the pitch. So you're not just carrying the burden of just a football club. It is beyond a football club. And this is the orientation, or these boys trying to motivate the boys to understand. Or you're also making sure, say, and boys too much, say it will impede the boys expressing what they have.
Bonfire.
What I say. Yeah. So it's giving them the confidence that, listen, you are skillful. If you can dribble, but you dribble to the benefit of the team.
Bonfire.
So I do maybe I say jabo no manasta over elaboration. Now the ball no, you have to dribble to the benefit of the team. And I think say this is we are going to see a different Kotoko. But we need the support of our supporters.
Coach Prosperity or onye soft.
Hey, tough.
Sao.
Very tough. No, this
quiet.
We will be the head of sports department in UCC.
The players in
through the university structures behind him say before so a lecture bit a head of department. That's why we say easy.
Bonfire.
And Coach Prosper on that form, but he knows how to be gentle to handle the situation.
Okay.
And knows how to be tough to handle the situation. When he's on the bench, you know who say yes. There's a coach on the bench. So you need a coach who can also be a bit intimidating, Kakra. But I said,
is he that type?
This football, of course, he's that type.
Quiet, man.
Alex Ferguson.
Yeah.
Who Alex Ferguson? Because quiet.
Quiet. Okay.
But if Alex Ferguson is on the bench, well, I said there's really a man on the bench.
So Prosper is that type.
He's that type. When he has to be gentle with the boys, he'll be gentle. But when he's doing his job, you realize, I said, this is a man. At the first of
at this particular time, head of sports, Professor Ike Wallace Fremi. I mean, one more time.
Fire burn.
By this time. Now, Fremi, fire burn you, Professor. More fire. Call Elohim Treatment Center, Dr. Abednego. Nakwaje more fire. Medim Patrick Osajeman, you can call me Countryman Songo. The most popular television sports show, Fire for Fire and Ocean. My guest, Air Kotoko Communication Director, David Obenyako. What's more fire? I'll be back. On fire, we Janice show our bed of a bar, Fire for Fire. Me be biao matofo no Kotoko for any Ghana, or be or pay football, be football loving fans. Ubit me, I fire just 2 seconds. 2 seconds because I'm running the anti communication director waha 2 seconds near on the casa or kind in the house now they are so 2 seconds no unu abitu fire be near Quayanim. Baba posted them, Dave. Are you ready for Kotoko?
Baba is ready. Now I'm in for Konya is Namenda Abayase.
Bonfire.
Now I'm in Sanda Sports, National Sports Authority. I say.
Bonfire.
Say Omatimaya Juma, I'm about ready. Last season I did about high. I fact will be a say and Bobo home grounds. This time around about I make about Baba Raya say we as Santa Kotoko management, you cannot do it alone. We will need the support of the media.
Bonfire.
Your name media house be any asem. We are open to every media house. If we are Meko Kumase, you got Kumase, we also do the media tour and orient everybody. Any media no free. Asante Kotoko can never be Asante Kotoko without the support of our sports media. We cherish them so much. Nearby, I'm very open. I'll go on radio tour. Let me do Biakasa. Let's get the fans excited. Let's get the fans on board. Let's get the fans to just be supporters and yes, just spectators. But they also have to come on board as supporters. Yembe supporters Asante Kotoko. Na yemfa yentuma peripheral.
Mokwa, mamu rin feed the lali atiasi. Why I love FM.
I missed the call very to be. Let's sort it out. Let's sort it out.
Bonfire. And let me say we by this time. The water or the wakasa.
Let's sort it out.
Bonfire. Yeah. It's a nipa bi busasa Kotoko supporters busasa. Do we have a team? I mean sometimes I question we nipa lo busa yes me aminia. But I had to take it that way because on the social the end time busa say hey now what time now with team. Was it? But now, Obisa said Kotoko team now.
The only component. The only component is the support of the fans.
You have a team.
Is a support. It has a team. It combines.
Okay.
It comes a whole.
Players.
Of course, you technical to be a ball.
A ball.
We have
players.
We have a team. So Kumasi, I'm saying this week. From now to Tuesday, because your boss Saturday, take a movie out of Kumasi on Thursday. From now to Wednesday, Omra Babaya Ramehade.
Bonfire.
Omra Adakojachi, training grounds.
Some first match,
yeah. So you move here on Thursday and Friday. You train Accra. Information about training grounds. You better Omra no on Nimehade. Na Omra Accra Sports Stadium on Saturday. No funny.
Kotoko team to compete.
We have a team to compete.
03022111701, 03022111702, 03022111703, 03022111704. Mr. Tiemi, me was just 5 minutes to go. Into Bia 2 seconds. Ajana 1, 2 seconds.
Champion communicating director to the is closer to the team, so we take him by his word. Or the GDA if the GDA supporters, you know, they move the GDA into who the infecting any Edimapa or so we are taking him by his word.
So champion macho, more fire, Elohim treatment center.
Communication, because on could banana 3 matches, no one car. Or you can't coach council catchers or Babel to what was the end there and the leg that it's more than it doesn't be a drama for fresh and for 2 coaches.
With your new case, more fire. New case.
I think I had my customer to go and then you have to put out.
More fire.
For communicating that I another time, I can't say you must come from you now. I mean, can't say, Mr. Your best friend, for human essence. It's not saying media house to get that baby, only I was telling on Kata. The media house now, because they below are only a thing. So, I'm from now on, I'm can't be a new platform. Media house, you have to be offer.
Kofi in Kwabo, more fire. Kofi in Kwabo. Dr. Abednego, me Dofo Classic Boutique. Perfect. Yetio Kofi.
What we are not the friendly?
Oh, 2 seconds. Kofi.
Yeah, talk your plans and take a call. 2 for the man. Obey our for in the music green color of thing. Now, the one yes. Mommy has to say to you, a new to my yes. Never be a year, no matter what the flow. Tell support as a team. Individual, I have on our Baumian back and Leatibu. We are African for supporters about getting a whole family. We are near Master and look at more did to be said. And go from the truth because you have to buy a train, you know, maybe was of Africa. So
that's more fire. Ablewa Elohim Treatment Center. More fire.
Na the mekanze kotokode we dey ya hukuma afuma apemba no anu ni emotu e je ba ku ni na ka de pesa mekanze
bon fire
in fact we had bobo ya mkobo ya anu ni ngo ba play so mo na ndi flow back and grind because in fact that's the point ku ga na ni ma se pop
nania more fire nania o yetio nana more fire obi out 2 seconds minim emre nani ya oteminka on teminka na ko beni mu
mame mo abaso
so
bo djuma papa nyakopo nchira opa na oreku petan se hasufu akugu o magana ani mo ase se mo ko tan mi ya chere mo pore mi enisia o go mo ani mo
me ya kotokwa asem kan kotokwa asem ne enko yanim that is all o communication director abeta uni fika
ya me ka
officer time ne on kwade
look at abaso o hwe nhihye pa nana ya bonsa edi ababeku edi abakotokwa utumi so pese kotokwa football no e ko na nimpa me bona abaso on koso na ya chanechi sani utumi di jongo e ko pie mu oduba
on why di songo ko pie mu me ma wo me magu America me 32 kwan officer ene wo nim scam ho unim seni akosi tumi multimedia photo
so we jagi
isha family ya on tasana
so musu the culture communicating director for the management no mo ya juma there is more room for improvement what are there omuma social media handlers no musu ya dia pa le mo no yeah, credit supporters, they say, what was my phone? Yeah, no one like Kotoko page, and if you do one like it, because institutions in the company to be on now, yes, who followers, no much money. I can sponsor our friends to take up the blessings to blessings, when you attack, you're gonna in blessing Nane, or moving the other. I want your 400 money through there, or no money, and ground bra, and secondary school for, and the bless no bit more for the years ever for fair, they are so crying.
Oh, yeah, okay. Debo, a minute to wrap up.
Na meka ne say
More fire.
Yenda obi ase.
Nice one.
Yenda Asante Kotoko na ase. Na kakra be ka atro no say we are prepared for the season.
More fire.
We are prepared.
More fire.
What we need is the backing of the fans. The fans should come to Baba Yara. In creating atmosphere, awaiting be no Baba Yara comfortable.
More fire.
Nyoma ye ko mu oboase no. Yemfa into your own for now this time around. We should come to Baba Yara and support the club. And Baba Yara nko maybe ebe ko bia no, let's follow the club and let's support the club. Dem fa nkuni dem bra. Nipa we bring na hwe me. Ma me fa konya so na me nda obi ase.
Fantastic. Yami adom na adom bi dum here. Fire for fire. Me guess David Obenya Kotoko communication. Wa fire, fire ma miss ma fire. Experience in the job. Yenya nkopon so. Always the champ. More fire. Eyoja.